Next car on the list, Honda Accord. I know you guys love these Honda Accords. We get a ton of questions about these. Well, let's try to answer some of them with this video. First off, this does not have the factory premium sound system. Kind of a bummer there. That means it's gonna have the ANC microphones. Those of you guys that don't know what that means, automatic noise canceling. There's a couple different ways you can bypass them. You can easily unplug the one in the back, and then there's a wire you can cut on the front, or you can pull the pocket in the dash and just unplug the little module that's buried up in there. Today we're gonna do that. Let's take a look and see what's going in this car first. So he is getting the big kicker CXA 1800.1. Now we'd installed a previous amplifier for him, so we already have an amp mount. We're gonna repurpose this one to go up underneath the seat because this is 1/4 inch ABS. This is an expensive piece of plastic. Fernando's going ahead right now and pulling the seat. Now for subwoofers, he's got this box right here, which is an old school comp box. That's way too much power for these subwoofers. Next, let's go ahead and get this center pocket apart and get to the ANC microphone. Now, for those of you that are going, what is he talking about? Microphones? I don't know. Where am I? Okay, let me show you where you look. So in the back of the Honda, that spot right there, that one, that is the rear microphone. Up here in the front, the other microphone is located right up in here. We want to go up behind this because the box we need is up behind here. So let's go ahead and get this apart. He's got the seat apart there, and we'll get some subs in this thing. Now, to answer the other question, no, right now the radio replacements for this still suck. So hopefully we'll get something soon. It seems like it's been forever. All right, let's get this pocket out. All right, so once you get these two silver trims off, then you have access to removing the pocket. There's two screws. Now, I opened the glove box because I pulled up on this to loosen these two because it was hard to just get in there. And then of course this just snaps down. All right, so we're inside the car, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how ANC actually works. So we have an RTA hooked up to the rear speakers. The windows all have to be rolled up, doors have to be closed. Put the car in neutral. All right, see that little spike right there? That is the engine. Now go ahead and rev it up, Fernando. See, what the car is doing is it's trying to cancel that noise out. Now, when we disconnect the noise canceling, see, there's the engine again. And there's it just idle. See, turn the key off. See, the key's off. Radio's still on. We still have sound there, and it's gone away. We'll unplug it. Start it back up. Rev it up again. All right, so now the noise is gone. And that's how the ANC in these Hondas works. It's a real pain in the butt, as you can only imagine. Luckily, it's simple enough to bypass. That's showing you what it's doing. Now, imagine if you had a subwoofer hooked up to that, and every time you rev it up, that subwoofer just goes gorilla shit in the back of the trunk. Let me show you where it's at so you can unplug yours. So once you get the pocket out, what you want to do is that silver box right there. The plug is located all the way at the back. Let's see if I can get to it here. That's the plug there. It just clips and you push it back. It comes out real easy like butter. All right, so that's it. I like to get that stuff out of the way first because it's really a hassle after the fact if you have to find out stuff like that. Ugh, it's never a good thing. On with the rest of the install. All right, so the amplifier is in and done. That fit in there really nice. All the wires are shielded, looking good. All right, so the fuse holder is in. We went ahead and wrapped the wire through the factory turn here and attached it to the battery so we know it's positive.